Adam didn't connect one act to every future child. Reproduction didn't come up with the rule connecting ancestry to deprivation. The serpent didn't create the rules of inheritance. According to the theology, God designed the system in which those connections operate. The fall places Adam in the middle of the causal chain and invites us to stop there. But Adam did not design the machine. He supposedly pressed the button. So yes, the stakes are very high indeed. The more important question is, who connected the button to the stakes? According to the theology presented in this video, God did.